For this tutorial, I'm using uwamp from uwamp.com. So I will download the 3.1 version, exe version, and then it is required to download the PHP 7 other file, which is this one. Okay, I will download the Microsoft required file, select everything, and then install this as well. Okay, so I will allow this. It depends on which version you choose. For PHP 7, I have to download this file. So if you use other version, let's say 7.2, you download this version. Okay, unfortunately this is not available for Mac, only for Windows. Okay, I'm done with this, so I will install the Visual C++ files first. Okay, so it will have problem. We'll proceed with the uwamp installation. Okay, click OK and then finish it off. Okay, my installation is completed. I will click close, and then I will look up for the shortcut to run the software. I will search for uwamp. So uwamp is listed somewhere in your menu, or you have to find it. Okay, for example, here it is uwamp listed in my search. Once you are running this software, it will appear on the taskbar indicated by U. You'll get this alert: allow the software to access bypass your firewall. Another one is the Apache installer, also allow. So once you are done, you can go to the main page, which is here, browser www. Okay, it says work fine. Your address is localhost. Okay, so these are some of the folders: MySQL, uwamp. Those are some of the folders. Okay, to access your MySQL, the password is admin. The username is admin@admin.com. Okay, the username is root. The password for uwamp is root. Okay, for other type of installer, the password is empty. Okay, for username is root, password is root. Okay, next you have to get the installer for WordPress. You go to wordpress.com, wordpress.org for the manually installed version. Download the WordPress installer, and then once you finish, okay, here is the installer. So once you have finished downloading it, you have to make sure you have downloaded the WordPress installer. I'm using the version 5.6. You have to extract it, extract all, choose a folder. For example, here I extract to the folder WP. Okay. Okay, this is the extracted folder. Under my WP folder there is a folder WordPress, so you have to change the location of this folder. I will cut this, Ctrl X for cut, and you should place it under your uwamp folder. Uwamp is somewhere here under www, so I paste it there. Okay, now this folder, make sure you put it under your www directory. Next, you go to your uwamp website. The folder that you have to access is localhost. One of the folder is WordPress. Okay, next, it says that you might have some problem. Your server is running 568. 562. Okay, now we have to upgrade our PHP. Actually, the PHP can be upgraded right here. PHP 7. So I choose 7, and then I will stop the server and then start again. So if you change any of this configuration, you have to stop and start again. So now we are using a PHP 7. Okay, I will reload this so it works. Let's go. The database, you can put anything, but this database is not available yet. You have to create it somewhere in your PHP my admin. Okay, so I am opening two windows here. One is PHP my admin, and another one is the installation window. Okay, so these are the database that available in your system. Information, MySQL, performance, those are all database. So to create a new database, you go to databases. Okay, this is where you can create your database. Whatever you put in the database name must be the same as the database that you want to create. Okay, so let me create a database with my own name, Imran. Okay, no spaces, all lowercase. So I have a new database here, Imran. So my database name here is Imran. Username is root. Password for uwamp is root. For other type of Apache installation like wamp or XAMPP, there is no password. Only for uwamp the password is root as well. Okay, then you click submit and then run the installation. Give a site title, okay, give a username and password that you can remember easily. I put an easy username and password first, but this is not advisable for your server. So usually we should avoid the username admin, so use something else like your name. Okay, and then put anything behind. Okay, password, I will put something very weak. So you need a stronger password if it's a real development server. Okay, I'm using a weak website password for my website. Okay, then put your email, anything will do. Okay, then install WordPress. Okay, log in, use the username that you used just now. To make things easy, you can put remember me and then log in. Okay, there you go, your website is already running. Okay, we need to see our website. So to see our website is under here, visit site. Your dashboard can be expanded. Here is the expanding tool, collapse, expand. Okay, so if you create a new page, for example add new, and then choose product. Okay, start typing or choose a block. If you want to insert an image, you click image here, and then upload from your folder. Okay, anything. Okay, then publish. Okay, to see your website, I advise you to open another window. So this one is for your dashboard. Your website, you open another tab or window. The address is localhost / your folder name, which is mine is WordPress. Okay, currently you see this one. We don't have any menu yet. So to get a menu, you go to your dashboard again. Okay, and then go to appearance, menu. Currently there's no menu. We can set automatically add pages to the menu, and then you can create the menu. For example, this one, my menu, create. Okay, once you do that, if you reload your website, okay, you should get a menu. If it's not there, you can check what are the items that you can add. Okay, for example, product, sample page. If you don't want, remove, add to menu. Okay, currently we have one item in our menu. The next page that we'll create will automatically added. The previous page is not automatically added. Okay, so we save the menu, reload. Okay, this is our menu. Okay, the appearance you can customize in the theme. So you go to the themes. If you don't like this theme, you can change easily here. Click this one. Before you activate it, you can make a live preview. Okay, it will appear like this. Your menu will be here. If you like it, then you can activate it. Preview means just for your own view. If you view in your real website, it is still the old version. But if you click activate and publish, then it is changed in the main site. Okay, so this one is the new theme. To make things more interesting, it's better for you to choose a more popular theme, for example. Okay, go to the add themes. Okay, you choose anything that looks nice and choose a theme that when you click preview, it previews correctly. Yeah? Okay, if it doesn't preview correctly, let's say some pages or images are missing, then avoid choosing that. Okay, so I'm using this one, Specia. Before you choose it, you have to make sure that preview displays correctly. All images are displayed. If nothing appear in terms of images, then you skip that, because that means you have to manually insert the page and content or images on your own. So avoid using a template that doesn't show correctly. Here, okay, if I choose in special, it will look something like this. It doesn't look like the preview, so I will avoid this, because it means that I have to do some configuration before it appears like this. So choose something that when it preview, it will preview correctly. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this one acceptable, but not as shown here, but it's already having some background and some posting. Okay, let's look at another one, popular one. Okay, hopefully we can get something that previews correctly.